All right, so I just got my new exhaust shipped from Brazil, CS Racing. It's pretty much the cheapest option out there for the Street Fighter available right now for Street Fighter V4 in 2020. $900 what I paid for it. Altogether, I think it was $950 with tax and shipping, yada, yada, yada. A lot of guys have ripped on it because, well, it's not one of the top manufacturers out there like Arrow or any of those guys. Most people are running the slip-ons these days. I really don't think you need a full exhaust on the V4s. I don't think it's going to add anything to it. So let's see what we got inside the box here. No damage to the box. Came in pretty good shipping. Time-wise, it took a bit to get here. Once they got it shipped out of Brazil, it went pretty quick. I ordered, I want to say, a week and a half ago. And it came directly from Brazil. So let's see what we got inside the box here. All right, so CS exhaust system. Personal note from the owner. Installation manual. Looks like the guards here for the exhaust. Now these are not carbon fiber, they're fiberglass layup for the side here. They're not aluminum or carbon fiber like it is on the stock ones. So here's the side piece. Let's get a good look at that. Not a bad kit. Looks pretty nice. The one thing I do see off the top is there's no insulation on there, but probably they have more spacing than the stock exhaust. Everything was packaged really nice. Can't complain about that. They were really easy to deal with. I sent them a message directly through eBay. They were more than willing to help me out, being my first guy here to test it. Here is the right side cover. You can see no insulation there. Good packing material. Now, these are made, from what I understand, I've only read the description, that it's made out of 304 stainless. All right, so I got a nice big bottle of blue Loctite there. Some stickers, some stuff here, looks like cards, pictures of different bikes, the order, and their guarantee certificate. All right, here comes the money shot. Here is their exhaust setup. Now, I am not a welder by trade, but I do have some experience. I did a little fabrication back when I was a mechanic, way back in the day. So let's take a look at these welds, because that's the thing I was really curious about. Let's see how these are put together. Let's get a good look at that. They do have baffles in, so they do have a removable baffle in there. Quiet it down some. Pretty neat. Didn't know that was coming with the kit, but my neighbors will enjoy that. So looking down straight through, just got a perforated core in there with probably fiberglass and some steel wool. Right here you can see the welding on it. Doesn't look too bad. Everything seems well put together there for the most part. I really got no complaints with it. It's not as pretty as someone who spent a lot of time TIG welding it, but it's going to be hidden by the cover anyways. Who cares as long as it sounds good. Now here is the left side one. Or I'm sorry, right side. Mix that up. I said right side earlier. Now the reason I went with this is because, yes, I can afford a $5,000 exhaust system. But you know what? I want to know how good it is compared to a $900 exhaust system. I took some sound readings of it stock with a decibel meter, and I'll put that up in the video as well. Cold startup. And I was getting about 90 decibels. Now the stock system is chambered exhaust, so you kind of got that Flowmaster sound going on. It's actually really, really good for a stock exhaust. But we'll see how this does. I'm gonna say it's probably a little bit quieter than the Arrows, just because you have more packing material in the muffler here and a bigger volume to allow the gases to expand. And again, same thing. You can see the welds here. Got some nice, looks like MIG welding here. The bends are nice. It's been expanded and then the pipe put in and welded together. You got a nice butt weld here. The butt welds look pretty good. Nothing fancy, but they get the job done. All the way through, you can see good heat and good penetration through it. And again, you got the baffle here in there that comes with them, which was a nice surprise. If I can get that out of there. There it goes. Just need a little help. Now, in talking to them directly, they did say they are having some time delays due to raw materials getting in. So be aware of that if you do go with this setup. Well, I just want to put this out there for information. See what other options are available to you. So that was that one there. And this one goes here. Just like that. So you can get a piece of it there. So it does come with the screws to mount the covers on. I'm guessing that the other ones will use the stock screws here. So make sure you save those when you put them on.